Hey, what's up, everybody? You're watching Rookie to Pro Builds, and I'm your driver, Lovens Presume. Today, we're painting the wheels on the Accord. Now, disclaimer, these wheels are not TE37s, but regardless, they look nice and they fit the car nicely. But the thing about it is, we have to change the paint for the wheels. These are how the wheels look right now. The finish is actually very nice on 3 of them. But here's the situation. I messed up this one in particular. Used some type of solution that was a little too aggressive, but that's perfectly fine. I wanted to change it up a little bit and add a little pop of color to the Accord. So the color that we're going with is this. All right. We're doing a copper color. I always wanted like a bronze, but I think these will pop a little nicer. So I got that prepped right now. I got down some warm water. Some hot water, warm water. Of course, we got the clear coat. Well, wait. The first step, of course, we got the primer. We got the paint that you guys saw already, and we got the clear coat. That being said, we got the Accord on jack stands ready to go. Got the wheels off, of course, and we're gonna get this thing started. We're gonna clean off all the dirt and debris. We're gonna sand the wheels, and then we're gonna start the steps with the primer, the paint, and the clear coat. Regardless, this is gonna be a fun learning experience, and yeah, switch it up a little bit.
They say I'm moving too fast, they can't keep up. Hop up in my new whip, 0 to 100, man. 3, 2, 1, take off, take off, take off. 3, 2, 1, take off, take off, take off.
Now we're gonna get to the fun part. Let's start with the primer. Got the wheels masked off. Got the other ones in the other zones across the vehicle. No turning back now. A light coat for this one, and I'm gonna get the index cards on the others and come back to this order of operation. Let's get it. So far so good. We got 2 light coats of primer on all the wheels. We'll put 1 more, and then the fun part, the legit color change. Let's go. It's coming together real nicely. I've been putting a lot of coats on there. I lost count, to be honest. I'm just trying to use the whole can. But yeah, liking how it looks. So far so good. I'm not trying to get perfect, but close enough. I saw in the other one it was sticking a little bit, but I probably could just wet sand that. But yeah, I'll say this is a mission accomplished. It's gonna look so good on the Accord. Yes, sir. I just gotta, after that, add the clear coat and wet sand, I believe, and then I should be good. I think this was a good idea. Hey, but yeah, comment below. Let me know if y'all like this color. Yeah, I rock with this. Just gotta lower this car and get it rolling. Just want to switch it up a little bit. Woo. Yes, sir.